Here is my T.blondi laying on her back, about to molt. Okay, this is gonna be worrying and exciting. Let's see what happens. Okay, this is exactly an hour later, and she's almost completely out of her exoskeleton. Actually, she's doing a very good job. Okay, it has been approximately 2 hours, and this is how she looks. I think she is done. Her fangs and her legs are clean, and she's waiting so that she's ready to turn back around. Great job. Okay, it's been another half an hour or so. Not much of a difference. A lot of movement, I guess, because light kind of disturbs her, and also you're probably spooking her a little bit, the vibration, so I'm not gonna mess around too much, but she did perfect. Okay, another half an hour passed. She is still on her back. Not a significant change, but she's getting harder, and the molting process is complete, and from the looks of it, she gained a lot of size as well. This is a T.blondi. Size is expected, and she's over a year old now, so I guess she's gonna get big. Alright, let's see what will happen in another. Finally, she is back on her legs. This was like 2 minutes after I filmed the previous segment, so I could have actually caught her turning. But anyway, all is good. We had a nice molting sequence and everything is okay. Alright, here is another update. She returned her back to us, and we see a very big abdomen. I think she's gonna be much bigger than before, and I cannot wait until she comes out into the open. But nevertheless, this operation was a success and everything is good. Alright, good night.